Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics coming to you today with our new flexible RGBW LED strips. Now, we've been doing LED strips for a long time and we know there's plenty of LED strips on the market, but a lot of them aren't too reliable and we wanted to make sure we offered a great option to you. Of course, it had to be RGBW. That's RGB multicolor with an independent white chip as well. So that's where we started. If you take a look at the strips, you'll see we have full RGBW chips. And that's different than most other RGBW strips even because these are fully integrated chips, RGBW all-in-one, instead of an RGBW and white spaced over and over. The result is a much brighter appearance. You hook them up to our Bluetooth controller and you can see white, nice, clean output all the way across, and then switching around to any color you'd like gives you that completely pure and intense output that's extremely bright for the size of this strip. It's a great appearance and we achieve that with those integrated chips all the way across. Of course, you can see they've got the nice black backing as well to give it a nice look, as well as the DD logo on the bottom. On the back side, you'll find 3M adhesive, which works well on some surfaces, but you might want to add some zip ties for others. Underneath that adhesive though, you'll find the UL listing number. Again, that just goes to show these are manufactured with the highest quality standards in mind. Now, these are available in different lengths from 50 centimeters, like I have here, all the way up to our full 5-meter reel. And one last important piece to these strips is the M8 input connector. This is a new connector style we're just releasing, and we needed this because of potential moisture intrusion on the connectors corroding over time. This is a fully waterproof and sealed connector, so you won't have any issues whether this connector ends up inside or outside your vehicle. It's designed to pair perfectly with our new Bluetooth controller, which has 4 M8 connectors like this. It's really easy to connect. It's just a press fit style. Line up the tabs here, and then you can push them together into place and make your connection. That'll remain fully sealed. You might say, well, what happens if it gets pulled apart? I'll show you. It takes quite a bit of force and you can hear that seal popping when you unplug it. These are going to last. We've done tons of testing and it's a great solution to provide a nice compact connector, but still provide a waterproof, reliable operation. You can find these strips in all different lengths online at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find them at a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.